Hello there, I'd love to welcome you to this video. My name's Lovosi Chats, and in this video, we're here to discover a system. All right, we're here to discover a system. So, welcome to this video. Before I go on, I'd love to thank my mentors. I'd love to pay my homage to my mentors. Robert Kiyosaki wrote the book Rich Dad Poor Dad. Tim Sykes wrote the foreword to the book The Penny Stock Course, and finally Matthew Crater, who wrote the book Rocket Stocks, and you can find all their books on Amazon Kindle. Now let's dive straight into this system. All right, we're here to discover a system that you can use to trade. Now I'm going to share with you some of my strategies that I used to discover a trading system. All right. So this is one strategy that I used. So you can see the RSI is between 40 and 60, changes positive from the open. And then the pattern I'm using is called the long lower shadow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this. So basically what I am looking for is a hammer on the daily chart. So I have something called the bullish candlestick detector. All right. So what I am looking for basically is a hammer on the daily pattern, on the daily chart, and 4-hour chart. So basically a green arrow should appear here and here. Right, so this is one of the strategies that I discovered. So basically this is it. Okay. Let me see what you have here. I think we'll use this one here. Okay, save. Okay, let's try this. So I found this one here. So I'm just going to share with you some of my strategies, all right? So I have so many strategies that you can use. Let's just remove a few filters. I have so many strategies that you can use to find a good trade. But my best asset to trade is gold, you know, which I have. Uh, Let me show you. My favorite asset to trade is gold, uh, which I have here. Okay, I love trading gold. Gold is my favorite asset to trade. So I placed a trade. I bought, I think, $4,000 worth of gold. So I'm down less than 1% on my position. I bought gold somewhere here. Okay. So I love trading gold. Gold has been the best asset class for me on this journey as I was trying to discover a system on TradingView. Gold was my number one asset. So I'm going to just share with you some of the strategies that I was trying to discover an asset to trade. So I have two asset classes that I love trading. The first one is Microsoft. I love trading the Microsoft stock. I also love Meta stock and gold. So those are my top three asset classes. Microsoft, Meta, and gold. But Microsoft is my favorite. All right, in the stock market. So I'm just going to share with you some of my strategies. So when you come here to filter, say ratings. So you pick moving average. Okay. Daily. Pick daily. select again, rating, oscillator rating. You can say weekly. Rating. Okay. So on the rating, you click sell or strong sell. Okay. Remember, it's a weekly oscillator, right? Was it buy? Sorry, I think you clicked buy. No, not sell. It's a strong buy. Yeah, not sell. Just give it a second. My bandwidth is dropping. Alright, so yeah, then you come here, you say sell or strong sell. Moving average rating on the daily, okay? Sell, yeah, strong sell here. So basically this is called price discovery, okay? That's what I'm teaching you right now. By the way, click the link below, support the channel, get a Finviz account. Yeah, get a Finviz account. Strong sell. I know you may be trading what are those things for trading? Stock options. Come here to index. So remember, our entry is the green arrow. Okay. The green arrow has to appear on the daily chart and the 4-hour chart. So that's our entry. So I'm selecting the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, and the Dow Jones. So remember, the oscillators have to have buy signals. Then the moving average on the daily chart has to have sell signals. And then we are looking for a hammer. So this green arrow represents a hammer. So this is what you have now. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, something like that. So I think this is the Nasdaq. Yo, this is crazy. All right, let's switch it. Let's make the month. Let's change the moving average rating monthly to a buy signal. Then we want it to touch support. So let's look for a 13-day EMA. Crosses down. Price. Okay. Let's try 20. Okay, let's try 50. Nothing. Okay. Mm, let's try 200. Let's try the word crosses. The thing is, the price has to touch support. It has to touch the resistance. something like this. Okay, I'll be coming just this chat pattern. All right. So basically, this is what you want, all right? You want to touch the support. This is the type of price action that you want. All right. This is what I was looking for. So I'll put that under my watch. Also, I'll check the 4-hour chart. You want it to touch support on the 4-hour chart. So you can see it broke support on the 4-hour chart. So I would personally, I would not trade it. So, there's so much you need to study. This is perfect, right? So it's giving us a buy signal right here on the daily chart after touching support. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. There we go. So this is something. This is exactly what we want. So I would definitely buy this one. This one is good. Good support. Monster energy drink. Uh, so you just want to find support basically on the 4 chart and on the daily chart. So you can see there's support here on the 4-hour chart and on the daily chart. So I would definitely consider buying Nasdaq stock. So let's support on the daily chart. Let's see if I support on the 4-hour chart. Okay, so this one is also good. I'll consider it as well. And so that's how you just go about it, right? You just want to, because you're looking for support, right? You're looking for support, and what we're doing to find support is we're using candlestick patterns. This is also a very good support. Let's see if it has one support here. Yeah, it has, but not really. I need candlestick pattern to confirm. So I'm using candlestick patterns to confirm support. I'm not seeing support, so the best one out is 3. So let me study this. So this one, as you can see, it has found support in the moving average. We come to the 4-hour chart. There's one support here with the morning star chart pattern here. So this green, these arrows are showing us bullish candlestick formation, which is support. This one, a lot of it has shown support here. This green bullish candlestick. These arrows means it has detected the candlestick pattern. All right. So there are 3 candlestick patterns in the price action. All right. There is the morning star, the hammer, and what else? I've forgotten the other one. Okay, let me see which one here. Again, my main asset class is gold. That's the one that I know how to trade. Gold and Microsoft. Those are my 2 favorite ones. Yeah, so bullish engulfing hammer, the morning star. So it has detected a bullish engulfing on this chart pattern here. Since then, it has found support here. You come back to the 4-hour chart. It's found support right here on the bullish engulfing chart pattern, and it hasn't gone below that since Friday. Let's see if we see a support on the 4-hour chart pattern for TJX. It looks like there is support, but there is no candlestick detection, so we'll remove that. So personally, these are the 3 that I would trade. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a strategy that I used to use for forex trading. Though I don't do forex trading, because the broker that I have, the margin levels and my strategy is different. So this is screener that I use to find gold. If I see gold here, I buy it. So gold is the number 1 asset that I buy. Just here, make a copy. So everything is different, and so what I did was I created my own situation. So your situation will be different from mine. So according to my situation, I can only go profitably, and with the best risk management. So I'm going to show you something that I used to do. Because I want you to master how to trade, I'm just going to share my ideas with you. this strategy I found. AUDJPY. That oscillator rating is the for the week. Put the oscillator rating for the week, which is about oscillator rating for the day. So, okay, first I'm trying out something.